Tired of searching Wi-Fi hotspot wherever you go? Imagine having a reliable internet connection at your fingertips, anytime, anywhere. In today's video, I'll show how to transform your device into a powerful portable hotspot. So without wasting any time, let's start. First of all, grab your Xiaomi phone and open the Settings app on it. Then tap on Portable Hotspot from here. Next, tap on Setup Portable Hotspot. Now, in the SSID field, enter the name you want to call your hotspot. Next, in the password field, add a strong password so that no random person can just connect and use your data. Now, if you want to beef up your security, you can select WPA3 protocol, and selecting that, hit the checkmark button from here. Now just toggle on Portable Hotspot from, and you should be able to use the hotspot from other phones. So guys, that's how you set up the portable hotspot on your Xiaomi phone. If the video was useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Want more Xiaomi phone related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.